This is a 1925 Super X. It's the first year for the 45 cubic inch motor. Before that was a 61 cubic inch motor. This is a unit construction with the transmission, all in one case. First year for that. It's a little lighter than the previous 61 cubic inch in 1924. I use this as my board track racer. It's a stock motor. This is the street version. They also made a sport, super sport they called it. That was for racing. You could drive it to the track, take the shims out underneath the cylinder base, and take these metal shims out, and then you could go racing for the weekend. Put the shims back in and drive home. This is not the sport model, it's stock. It has a smaller intakes, and I'm going to go ahead and start it up, get it running. Third place at the Wasion board track races in 2011, last weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas on. Turn the oil dripper on. I've already got 2 pumps in the crankcase for the total loss. I don't usually need to choke it. Runs like hell, and it was probably my favorite bike to ride at this point. That's it.